Thank you so much for your interest in financially supporting the University of Alabama Black Faculty and Staff Association. Today, I will walk you through the simple steps to give to BFSA. After visiting give.ua.edu, you are to enter Black Faculty and Staff Association in the search box. You will see we have established two funds, the BFSA Annual Support Fund and the BFSA Quasi-Endowed Scholarship. The Annual Support Fund gives BFSA the discretion to support Black faculty and staff events, as well as award scholarships to students. The quasi-endowment is strictly for scholarships. Each dollar will increase our base, and we are able to award more scholarships each year from the income of that base. You may give one time, recurring, or by pledge amount. Your gift can be anonymous, in memory of, or if your company is matching your gift, this is the place to enter that information. The next screens will request for your personal information as well as your payment information to submit. And that's it. You have now given to the Black Faculty and Staff Association. Upon submitting, you will receive an email confirmation. You will also receive a giving statement from the University of Alabama for your tax-deductible contribution. We thank you so much for your support for BFSA and our students. Have a great day.